All right, I've been working on putting these Ebrake cables together, and I've been racking my brain for too long. And I finally went on and read some reviews, and everybody else seems to be having the same issue with this piece. When you're converting to the Z32 rear drums on the S13, they give you this shaped bracket, right? And this seems to be about the only way to bolt it on. You can adjust tension, you know, with those 3 slots, but look at that clearance. There is zero clearance. Like, the weight from balancing the drive shaft is gonna hit that. So yeah, I'll probably just bend this up a bit because there it is. No clearance. And that was driving me insane yesterday. Couldn't get it to work. Alright, so this is the piece from GKTech. I marked where it is off the body to where I can bend it. Slapped it in my vise, you can see the teeth mark in there. And then just beat the hell out of it until it got enough to lift it a bit. So we'll try that out and see if that's enough of a bend. Alright, so after days, hours of me feeling like an absolute moron, just required a little bit of a beat down. Alright, so this is the piece. You can still see the vise teeth marks. Just bend it up a bit. And from that last one, there was no clearance here. And now we got 1/4 inch, which I am A-okay with that. Same with that side. And that probably isn't getting mounted anywhere. Yeah, I don't think so. This thing, I don't know. I'm just leaving that be. But yeah, so bend that up, which is going to require some force because this thing is thick. Alright, and that is the GKTech Z32 to S13 rear drum Ebrake extender.